Hey everyone, super excited for a Saturday edition of our Tara's Must-Have. What's a Tara's Must-Have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you, and it checks off our 3 Ps. It's pretty, it's practical, and it's purposeful. And this checks all of those boxes. I have to say, for me, a pizza stone growing up, pizza was meant for the weekend. So it takes me back all the way to all the traditions that me and my family always had. So of course I wanted one in our collection, but look at what we did here. We actually put it inside a beautiful wrought iron rack so that when you're taking something out, you can put it directly down in that rack and on the table. It's our classic, beautiful stoneware. So it mixes and matches our old world and our floral lace. This is actually the blue that you're looking at here. It's that really inky cobalt blue. 15-inch pizza stone. This goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. It's not gonna fit in your microwave, but our pieces do. Of course, it goes in the dishwasher when you want to clean it, and the fridge and the freezer. So if you've made a beautiful charcuterie board, you could put that in your fridge and chill it ahead of time. All right, so when you're taking things out, you're just gonna go ahead and drop it right inside here and take it on the go. All right, so that is our must-have. Under $30, $29.95. Free shipping and handling, only available over at temp-tations.com. So you're definitely gonna wanna go check that out there. Then of course, this is why it was created. You can even do things whether you're making a homemade pizza or you're using those frozen kind, and they're metal utensil safe. So when I wanna go ahead and cut that pizza, I can literally cut right on here, and look at how easy that is. No muss, no fuss. Cutting metal utensil safe. Let me cut a little slice over here. I'm getting hungry, not gonna lie. Look at how beautiful that pizza is, and no harm to that beautiful pizza stone. It's durable, it's our stoneware. You have the hand-painted ceramic accents on the handles as well. So this is definitely one of those pieces you're gonna want to leave out. Oh, let's go to the oven. As I was mentioning, they are oven safe up to 500 degrees. So I am just gonna reach right inside here because I did some hors d'oeuvres. So we had a bunch of things in our freezer that I wanted to take care of. So what would you typically have to do? You'd have to get your metal utensil, your wire rack or your metal baking sheet. You'd have to put it on there, and that actually buckles in the oven. The fact that you can have your stoneware, lay it right inside that oven, 350 degrees, and I made our little cocktail hot dogs. I made a baked brie. I did some little stuffed spinach, so delicious. And then look, if you wanted to layer in your toothpicks, your little individual forks, you could do that as well. Under $30 for a 15-inch pizza stone is incredible. With free shipping and handling, the fact that we've included that wire rack with the handles that just make it that elevated look, dream. Love leaving it out. As I mentioned, by the way, did you see our spices yesterday? Spice Baby, we know you saw them because you have been loving them. Look at how we easily displayed them if we're leaving this next to the stovetop. We have our butter dish, we have our salt and pepper, so many great things. And then don't forget, I mentioned that charcuterie board. You can chill this ahead of time, put some wine, your glasses, some of your meats and cheeses, some tomatoes, and you now have an elevated platter. So you took that pizza stone, you took that cookie sheet, you took that cutting board, and you made it into an elevated platter. And that's what we love about Temp-tations. So as I mentioned, this is our Saturday edition of our Tara's Must-Have. Under $30, $29.95. Free shipping and handling, but it's not forever. So you're definitely gonna wanna go over to temp-tations.com and check it out. We have it in blue, cranberry, green, red, which I absolutely love. So 4 great colors with our beautiful mixed pattern. So from charcuterie to stationery to, the best buffet you've ever seen of appetizers to, of course, our traditional pizza stone, individually hand done, all individually hand painted. This is an absolute must have.